What if I told you that you have been sipping green tea hoping to lose weight, while there is a South American secret drink that burns fat 24% faster than green tea and literally forces your body to choose fat as fuel? Today I'm going to show you the exact recipe that athletes use to melt stubborn belly fat, which is backed by clinical studies. And this ancient drink makes green tea look like water when it comes to fat burning. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic functional medicine physician. I help people reverse their chronic health conditions by making functional medicine plans. Here's the brutal truth that wellness industry doesn't want you to know about green tea. That green tea only increases fat burning oxidation by 4 to 5%. Yes, green tea has EGCG, which is a great antioxidant. Green tea has caffeine, which suppresses your appetite. And in some cases, it does help with weight loss. But most people will not lose that stubborn belly fat with green tea. Meanwhile, there is a drink used for centuries in South America and has been used by several celebrities, including soccer legend Messi. And this particular drink is much stronger than green tea in terms of fat oxidation, and actually it works by a triple action on your fat cells. Yes, meet Yerba Mate. And before you say, I have heard of that, let me blow your mind with the actual research about it. A study published in Nutrition and Metabolism found that people who consumed 1000 milligrams of yerba mate before exercising experienced 24% increase in fat oxidation. And this is not 4 to 5% that green tea gives you. This is a massive 24% fat oxidation. But here's where it gets insane. This next research study, which was published in BMC, Complementary Medicine, found out that daily yerba mate consumption significantly reduced body fat mass, body fat percentage, and waist to hip ratio without making any change to their diet or exercise schedule. And this yerba mate can significantly boost your fat burning potential without even changing your diet and lifestyle choices. So what is different about yerba mate that destroys fat while the green tea cannot achieve the same results? 3 words: triple xanthine action. While green tea only has caffeine and EGCG, yerba mate contains higher amount of caffeine. It has theophylline as well as it has theobromine. This creates what researchers have called a synergistic thermogenic effect. What that means is that the caffeine hits your central nervous system, increasing adrenaline, while theophylline opens up your airways and blood vessels, delivering more oxygen to your muscles, while theobromine stimulates your heart and acts as a mild diuretic. Together, they force your body to preferentially burn fat for fuel. But wait, there is more. This yerba mate also stimulates GLP-1 release. This is the same hormone that expensive weight loss injections like Ozempic works on. What it does is that it creates mild gut distension. So it makes you full very quickly, and it also increases satiety in your brain. So literally this yerba mate will give you appetite suppression while also burning your fat. So now let me share with you my secret recipe of preparing this yerba mate, which I call as a fat burning powerhouse, because it combines 3 different ingredients along with yerba mate and further increases the fat burning potential. For this, you need 2 tablespoons of organic yerba mate. There are several varieties of yerba mate, and you need to avoid the smoked varieties because they can have some harmful effect on your body. So look for non-smoked varieties. Then you need 1 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon. You need half a teaspoon of fresh grated ginger. You need 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and you need half a lemon. And here's another insider tip for you. Most people will think that the warm yerba mate will work better for them. In fact, the research study shows that the cold yerba mate works better and actually increases more fat burning potential. So how do you make it? You add all of these ingredients to cold water water and let it steep for at least 12 to 15 minutes. And then after that, you strain this whole mixture and then you drink it. Now, what is the best way and best time to consume it? But before we go over there, let me share with you why this particular combination works better. The reason being, the cinnamon regulates your blood sugar and improves insulin sensitivity and thereby helps your body to get rid of those fatty cells. The ginger contains gingerols, which again have thermogenesis effect and increases your fat metabolism by 5%. Curcumin, which is coming from turmeric, has a very great antioxidant potential which reduces inflammation in your body and also prevents from new fatty cell formation. And lemon has great vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant and helps your body to lose weight. Now let us talk about when is the best time to consume this drink. So try to have at least 2 cups of this drink on the daily basis. 1 cup you have it early in the morning. The reason being, when you have this drink empty stomach in the morning, the GLP-1 effect of this drink kicks in and that causes appetite suppression. Plus, it also gets your body into the fat burning mode. The second time to have it is on the pre-workout session. What that means is that if you're going for a workout like walking, jogging, running, or even going to a gym, you consume this drink before your workout and that will increase your fat oxidation by more than 24%. And the third time you can consume it is mid-afternoon, because this will help you in improving your energy and mood and keep your body in the fat burning mode all day long. So these are the best times to consume this drink. As a caution, I want to tell you that never consume this drink after 6 p.m. because it does have caffeine into it that can interfere with your sleep if you consume it after 6 p.m. So here you have it, this supercharged magic recipe that has been used by athletes and celebrities to keep their body in good shape. And here's what you can realistically expect based on the clinical trials after using this Yerba Mate. In week 1, you will see increased energy, reduced appetite, as well as you will see better workout performance. Between week 2 to week 4, you are going to start seeing some difference into your waist circumference. And if you're measuring your body fat percentage, that should also change a little bit. From week 8 to 12, you will see some significant difference in your body composition, and you will also see that your clothes are fitting better into your body. Consistency is the key. So try this Yerba Mate recipe today itself. Try this for the next 1 month and see what difference you see. Combining this with proper diet and exercise will give you even better results. So I will like you to try this drink for the next 30 days every day and tell me what results you see in your own body. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel as well as share this video with others who can benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.